learn medical courses immediately. So there will be those of you who may have either done A-level somewhere else, or you may have a degree in medical or health sciences and are now starting the direct entry medical program immediately. This course is a 5-year training program. 5 years, okay? So you are just in the first year and you're coming for the first time. Now, let me just describe a little bit what will take place in your first year, first semester. So the program has 5 years. This means it has 10 semesters. So I will just describe your first year, first semester. Now, in the first year, first semester, we run 7 courses. And the questions that we are always asked at UNILAS, why do you run so many courses? Okay? When I was a medical student myself, the number of courses that we were given in our first year were 4 courses, okay? And many other universities you may hear of just give 4 courses to start with. So, let me explain why the University of Lusaka offers 7 courses. The University of Lusaka is a modern university. It is trying to teach medicine not the way I was taught in the 1980s, but the way medicine is being taught all over the world in the 21st century, which is the century we are in. So in the 21st century, the way medicine is being taught is as a system-based program. In other words, there are 10 body systems. So the current teaching of medicine is using these 10 body systems. All the main subjects in medicine are arranged in such a way that when you start, for example, on our program, we start with the respiratory system. And in the respiratory system, all the key sciences that a doctor needs to know are taught together as one. Okay? So the difference between the way we do it and the way it was done in the past, and the way the older schools do it, is that the older schools teach medicine by subject. We teach medicine by body system. Okay? So, what I'm saying is that in this period, when you just start in the first semester, you will be doing 7 courses. Okay? And you usually will start with the respiratory system. So what is contained in these 7 courses? In the 7 courses, we will teach you anatomy, which means the organs of the body. We will teach you physiology, which means how these organs work. We will teach you pathology, what goes wrong with these organs. And remember, we are only talking about the respiratory system in the first semester. We will teach you therapeutics, which means what are the drugs that are used in these body systems. We will teach you clinical sciences, which means how does a person with a disease of this particular system, like a respiratory system, what do they come with when they come to the hospital? What will they be complaining of? So these are the main 5 core subjects. But on top of that, we also teach public health, and we also teach imaging and diagnostics. In imaging and diagnostics, we teach what are the tests that are done in the lab to investigate diseases of this particular system, like in this case, starting with the respiratory system. And in public health, we are really talking about how can diseases be prevented. And public health is a course which is jointly done with behavioral sciences. And behavioral sciences is a course that deals with how people behave. And this course is very important for medical students because they will need to communicate with people, tell them about disease, tell them how to prevent disease. And this is better done if you have some understanding of how people behave, how people respond to information. It makes it easier for you to communicate. So going over it again, in the first semester, you will be taking 7 courses. These 7 courses will help you to understand the human body better. They will help you to understand what are the organs found in the human body, how do they work, what goes wrong with them, what are the diseases that these these body organs can have, what problems can a person with this particular disease present within the hospital, and how can this be tested. So that's really the whole structure of our training program. So it looks a little bit daunting to start with, but remember that we have selected you especially. You have a very good knowledge of science. You have a higher A-level knowledge of science. So we expect you to be able to perform very well on these courses. Not only that, we have selected some of the best lecturers to help you through the course. Now, like I had said before in the pre-med course, this, to start with, it is a 6-month period or a semester, which we divide into 14 weeks. The teaching method is through lectures, tutorials, and practicals. Okay? And the platform that the University of Lusaka uses is the Moodle platform. This is an electronic platform that is available to you through your laptop or through your computer or through your phone. The University of Lusaka has prepared tutorials, YouTube tutorials that will help you to be able to access this electronic platform. This electronic platform is very easy to access and very easy to use. Once you register, you will have a password that allows you access to this platform. When you get in there, the platform will give you the courses. It will list the courses that you are doing. And when you enter a specific course, there will be written information about the topic that you are studying for that week and how that topic will be taught that week. It will also contain lectures, and these lectures will come as audios with slides, picture slides. This is